Hey guys, there's a shortage of hand sanitizer at stores since the coronavirus outbreak. But we found this Twitter post with the hashtag #ViralDIY that claims that you can make hand sanitizer by mixing 2/3 cup of 99% isopropyl alcohol in a 1/3 cup of aloe vera gel. Is this legit or even safe? The account isn't verified and didn't cite sources, so we did a keyword search for, "Can you make hand sanitizer?" This brought up posts from The Verge, Wired, and NBC2. We used lateral reading, a term coined by the Stanford History Education Group, to see what multiple sources are saying. But before we fact-check this hand sanitizer claim, it's super important to note that all of these sources state that the best way to avoid transmitting coronavirus is to wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds and avoid touching your face. But according to Wired, if you're going to make your own hand sanitizer, the tools you use for mixing need to be sanitized, otherwise you could contaminate the whole thing. The article links to a source from North Carolina State University that guides you through sanitizing kitchen items. The Wired article also gives 2 recipes you can make at home. The easier quick gel version says, mix 3 parts isopropyl alcohol to 1 part aloe vera gel, which is a larger ratio of alcohol than the original Twitter post, which was 2-to-1. However, when we checked The Verge, it stated that recipes can differ slightly, but the most important part is that hand sanitizer needs to have a strength of at least 60% alcohol. The article also says that sanitizer is only effective if you cover your hands thoroughly and then let them dry, and if you have heavily soiled or greasy hands, then the sanitizer isn't going to do much. The NBC2 article further stresses that there are no promises that making your own hand sanitizer will work. Thus, our final rating is needs context. As you can see, washing your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds is the best way to stay safe. If you're making your own sanitizer, you need to make sure to sanitize your mixing tools, let your mixture sit for 72 hours, and use at least 60% alcohol. To stay safe, it's important to make sure DIY hacks for the coronavirus have been verified by experts and health professionals. If you see any other suspicious hacks, be sure to conduct a thorough search of news articles, or send it to us using #IsThisLegit.